What's up guys, welcome to Edward Vlogs here, and today I'm going to be making a drawing tutorial. So I'm gonna be drawing Pennywise, so let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna start off circle for the head. Normally the eyeliner would be right here, but since it's Pennywise, I'm gonna give him a big forehead. So I'm gonna draw a line down here, not like too curved, but just like enough. And I'm gonna be drawing my chin like this, and then my side, I'll give it a little cheekbone and go down here. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry, guys. Go down here. So give it a little that chin. Alright. I'm gonna be drawing the ear. I'm gonna be drawing him sideways. Alright. So that. Alright. I go down here. See how I chip out the chin there. Then make a line there. Alright. So for the ear, gotta get that started. Made a mistake here, so I'm just gonna erase that. Sorry for the lot of erasing. Alright, now for the eyes, I'm gonna draw the eyelines right here, like this. So I'm gonna draw the like ovals. Erase this here. I erase that one here, and I'll do it. You make it more like football. Alright. Now for the other eye, I'll do it like a O. Alright, so I'm done with the eyes. So that I'm done with the eyes. Now I'm gonna make them cockeyed. So I'm just gonna make them like cross-eyed. Alright, I'm gonna erase that line. Alright, let's get started on the nose. Right, I'm just gonna draw a line. Right, and do that. Alright, now for the smile, I'm gonna do this. Like a shape. There we go. And I'll fix the head there. Then for the lips, draw. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Sorry for that, guys. With pencil broke. Going back to the lips now. Draw a line like this. There we go. For the teeth, I'm gonna draw it like this.